Last evening, news came in from Prayagraj that left the entire nation shocked. Renowned seer Mahant Narendra Giri was found dead. He was found hanging. Now, the cops believe that it's a death by suicide. They've recovered a suicide note as well, in which he's named several of his disciples, including someone called Anand Giri. Now, Anand Giri has been detained in Haridwar, but he claims that Mahant Narendra Giri was murdered, that this isn't a case of suicide. Here's a roundup of all the updates so far in the police investigation.
Mahant Narendra Giri, revered by millions, is found dead under mysterious circumstances. The news has come as a shock to the spiritual community across the country. Mahant's body was found hanging from a fan by a nylon rope at the Bagambari Mutt in Prayagraj. His room was locked from inside. To get in, the authorities had to break the door. Inside the room, the police recovered a 7-page suicide note. The note alleges Mahant Narendra Giri was facing mental trauma inflicted by his own disciples. It alleges Anand Giri and 2 other disciples were troubling the seer.
सर आनंद गिरी के अलावा 2 लोगों की बात है, ये 2 लोग कौन हैं, क्या आशंका जताई गई है?
ये अब वहाँ के जो अधिकारी, स्थानीय अधिकारी हैं, इस पे कार्रवाई करेंगे। हो सकता है वो वहाँ के स्थानीय लोग हों, इसलिए मुख्यालय से इस तरह का कोई हेल्प नहीं मांगा गया, और अगर तत्काल रूप से इनको डिटेक्ट नहीं किया जाता तो इससे भी असंतोष फैल सकता था।
The police investigation did not begin in the best fashion.
उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस ने आनंद गिरी को उत्तरांचल पुलिस के सहायता से हरिद्वार में डिटेन किया है।
Less than an hour after the police announced Anand Giri's detention, the disciple appeared on Aaj Tak. Anand Giri, who is named in the suicide note, is calling the Mahant's death a murder.
हमारे गुरुजी ने अपने पूरे जीवन काल में कभी एक पत्र भी नहीं लिखा, वो इतना बड़ा सुसाइड नोट भी लिख सकते। हमारे गुरुजी का व्यवहार बेबाक था और बहुत मजबूत था, वो कभी आत्महत्या नहीं कर सकते, उनकी हत्या हुई है।
Narendra Giri, who was the president of the Akhil Bharatiya Akhada Parishad, had given his last interview to India Today, just a day before the death.
हम लोग संत महात्मा चाहते भी हैं कि विकास के साथ साथ धर्म को जोड़ना भी जरूरी होता है। जो हमारी परंपरा में सनातन परंपरा को लेकर चले, वह सरकार अच्छी भी होती है और धर्म के प्रति वो डरती भी है।
Narendra Giri and Anand Giri have had differences earlier. Anand Giri was once allegedly accused of financial impropriety but was forgiven by the Guru.
उन्होंने कहा कि जो सोशल मीडिया, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया, प्रिंट मीडिया में जो भी हमने गुरु के प्रति वक्तव्य दिया है वो वापस लेता हूँ। यह सब देखते हुए मैं भी सहृदय आनंद गिरी को माफ करता हूँ।
Narendra Giri's sudden demise has left political circles in shock. Leaders cutting across party lines paid condolences.
अखाड़ा परिषद के अध्यक्ष के नाते उन्होंने जो नेतृत्व देने का काम किया, मैं तो एकदम निःशब्द हूं। मैं तो व्यक्तिगत तौर से बहुत दुखी, मतलब मुझे लगता है कि जैसे मेरा कोई पिता समान कोई ऐसा संरक्षक, ऐसा मार्गदर्शक चला गया है जिनकी कमी अब कैसे पूरी होगी।
While the police suspect the death to be a suicide, a clear picture will emerge only after the autopsy and other forensic reports are available. With Samarth Srivastav and Abhishek Mishra, Bureau Report, India Today.
So let's get you a brief on all the latest with regards to the investigation. Samarth is joining us live from Prayagraj. Samarth, good morning. A lot of question marks over the death of this renowned seer. Now, we understand that in the suicide note, and the investigation is still on at this point, the note has mentioned several of Mahant Narendra Giri's disciples. Have they all been detained now? Are they all being questioned? And also, you know, where has this murder angle come from? One of the disciples has said it, Anand Giri. Do the police believe that that's something they need to even look into?
Well, exactly. The disciples, including Anand Giri, Agya, Tiwari and his son Sandeep Tiwari, the last two were of Letehu Hanuman temple, all have been detained while Anand Giri is on his way to Prayagraj from Haridwar, as UP police reached Prayagraj yesterday night and detained him. Though the two other disciples, including Agya Tiwari and his son Sandeep Tiwari, are detained and will be questioned later. What is the update coming here is CM Yogi Adityanath will reach this particular spot in some time, and I can show you the preparations out here right behind me. You can see tents have been erected, flowers are being coming in, while security has been beefed up. Since morning, the security is increasing with each passing minute, with each passing hour, as VIP movement is likely in the hours to come. And what we are getting around 11:30 a.m., the body will be kept for the final showdown. So these are the things. But what is important is the police theory behind the entire scene. The question is, when the so-called suicide took place, why police did not reach the spot and the disciples took the body down. So these are the questions. Why they broke open the door, why they did not wait for police, and why when call was made to the cops they did not tell the disciples not to open the door till we arrive. So these are the several questions. Whenever such incidents take place, it is very basic, it's very necessary to wait for the police, as the forensic team looks after everything, be it fingerprints on suicide note or some other be it rope of nylon from which he hanged himself. So what was the logic of disciples going inside and taking the body down? So these are the questions which are not getting fooled by the entire scenario, and UP police will have to answer these questions.
No, a lot of questions, as you pointed out, Samarth, with regards to how this entire case came to light as well. The fact that disciples were the ones who found Mahant Narendra Giri's body as well. So questions being asked of the police and their investigation so far. Samarth, stay on with me. This news came as a huge shock to the entire country. Here on India Today, the Prayagraj seer had spoken to us just a few days ago. Rahul Kanwal had met him in Prayagraj and they had a detailed conversation. Here's an excerpt of the conversation from just 2 days ago.
आपको वाकई में लगता है कि कुछ काम हुआ है बीते 4.5 साल में?
देखिए, 4.5 साल में काम नहीं, विकास जितना मतलब अन्य सरकारों से तो बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ।
कैसे, क्या हुआ यहाँ?
देखिए, पहली बात आप जाइए, रोड सड़क देख लीजिए, आप गांव की सड़क देख लीजिए, हाईवे देख लीजिए। आप बनारस लगता था 4 घंटा, आज लगता है 1.5-2 घंटा। आप कानपुर चले जाइए, प्रयागराज से कौशाम्बी का जो मार्ग था, वहाँ कभी आप जब गए होंगे तो उस समय लगभग हमें लगता है कि हम वहाँ मेरा खेत भी है, मूरतगंज जाने लगता 2 घंटा लगता था। आज अपने खेत में 30 मिनट पहुँच जाता हूँ। तो ये सब विकास दिखता है। दूसरी बात देखिए, हमारा कहना ये है कि गरीबों इस कोरोना काल में 4.5 साल जोड़ा आपने, 1 साल निकाल दिए कोरोना काल के लिए, अब बचा 3.5 साल। और 3.5 साल में जो विकास भाजपा ने किया है वो वास्तव में वह प्रशंसनीय भी है। और हम लोग संत महात्मा चाहते भी हैं कि विकास के साथ साथ धर्म को जोड़ना भी जरूरी होता है। जो हमारी परंपरा में सनातन परंपरा को लेकर चले, वह सरकार अच्छी भी होती है और धर्म के प्रति वो डरती भी है। और जिन्हें धर्म को कोई डर ही नहीं है तो क्या करेगा?
पर क्या साधु संतों का कोई पॉलिटिकल साइड लेना, कोई राजनीतिक पार्टी के पक्ष में इतने खुले तरीके से आना, क्या ये सही है?
नहीं, देखिए, आप सोचिए इस पे। संत महात्मा हम लोग जब घर बार छोड़ के बनते हैं तो देश के लिए बनते हैं, अपने धर्म की रक्षा के लिए बनते हैं। और जो पार्टी कोई भी हो, अगर जो पार्टी हमारे धर्म की रक्षा के लिए और देश की रक्षा के लिए कार्य करती है, उसके साथ संत महात्मा होते हैं। आज अगर और पार्टियां खुल के हमारे सनातन परंपरा का समर्थन करें, राम मंदिर का समर्थन पहले कोई किया नहीं,
अब तो सब कर रहे हैं।
नहीं, अब तो उनकी मजबूरी है, अब तो उनकी दिखावटी मजबूरी, अब तो मजबूरी मान लीजिए उनकी। आप वो जान गए हैं कि जिस तरह से मुस्लिम एक हो रहा है वैसे हिंदू एक हो रहा है, तो उनकी मजबूरी है कि अब वो जानते हैं कि नहीं, मुसलमान को छोड़ के ज़रा हिंदू तरफ ही जाना पड़ेगा, लेकिन वो सफलता नहीं मिलेगी। इसलिए असली चीज़ क्या है? असली चीज़ जो शुरू से रहा वो असली है, और जो अभी जोड़ा तो नकली माना जाएगा ना भाई।
So that was the conversation that we had with this year just 2 days ago, where he was talking about the kind of work that's been done in Uttar Pradesh, development of the state, etc. I want to take this back across to Samarth on the latest in the investigation front. Samarth, a lot of focus, a lot of talk is on the suicide note that's been in fact recovered and retrieved by the cops. You had told us earlier that the handwriting matches that of the Mahant of this year.
Yes, in the first instance, police has claimed that the handwriting matches to the Mahant Narendra Giri, but police has also said that they'll wait for the final forensic report, as only then, after the inspection of the examination of the entire handwriting team, it will be concluded that whether it was written by Mahant Narendra Giri or somebody else. But in first instance, police is claiming that the letter was written by Mahant Narendra Giri. What if we talk about Mahant Narendra Giri himself? He was one of the loved Sant and Mahant, because there was no boundary for any political party. He was loved by Samajwadi Party, he was loved by BJP and other BSP, Congress. Every other party had good terms with every political leader. He was not just limited to the Saffron Party, but he was like very much open to other political parties and political leaders. So this is the thing. He was much like what happened in the sequence that he felt so bad and he ended his life. He also mentioned in the suicide letter that he lived with dignity and will not be able to live without it. That shows somebody somewhere and somehow somebody was trying to blackmail him. This is what the lines of suicide note proves. Though he did not mention the word blackmailing in the entire suicide note, but saying this, I lived with dignity and don't want to continue without it, clearly mentions that he was being blackmailed. And the names he mentioned was very clear, his 3 disciples, including Anand Giri, who is being taken from.
So there are a lot of questions at this point, which is why you're also seeing a lot of politics. You've got many political parties now saying that there must be a CBI investigation conducted into the circumstances that led to the death of Mahant Narendra Giri. This is a story we'll continue to track closely. Samarth, for the moment, thank you for joining us.